Congrats on creating your first Prodigy class. Now, let's get your students onto Prodigy at school so they can practice their academic skills in a fun and engaging way. Students can access Prodigy in a variety of ways, depending on your school's login method. All students can go to play.prodigygame.com to log in with their username and password or Google, Clever, and ClassLink credentials. If you have imported your classroom from Clever or Google, it's very important that your students also log in using those icons. Students who use Clever or ClassLink can also access Prodigy with the Prodigy icon within those portals. If students used Prodigy last year, they can keep using the same account. They just need to log in with the same credentials as last year and attach to their new classroom using the teacher's class code. Students can input this class code in a variety of places: the Update Teacher screen right after logging in, their settings, or on the Wizard Dash screen. The class code displayed on the Student's Wizard Dash screen should match the class code on your teacher dashboard. Have students click to change it if the code does not match yours. When your students log into Prodigy for the first time, they will create their avatar and enter a tutorial. Students make progress in the game by answering math questions in epic battles. In their first few sessions, Prodigy will automatically run your students through a placement test to determine where to start them in the standards. After that, Prodigy's adaptive learning path helps them progress through the standards while keeping them in their zone of proximal development. When students are attached to your class, they will automatically receive your assignments that you create for them, and you will be able to view all the data from the placement test, assignments, and adaptive learning path on your teacher dashboard. Now that you know what to expect, make sure you allow 15 minutes for your students' first Prodigy session so that you can make sure they're all attached to your class and logging in correctly.